Alright, got a Surface Pro 7 here. Opening it up, it has a cracked screen right over here. And we gotta do a battery replacement. Does not hold a charge. Right now we have most of the bottom out. We just gotta do the sides, and then the top part nobody likes. Okay, we have most of this off on this side. Because it's cracked, things are just falling apart. So much fun. So much fun. All right, got this open. Here's our pro tip of the day. We're going to remove the LCD cable right here. Give us some more leverage. And oh, interesting. Do you guys see that white stuff? Is that corrosion? Guess we'll see. Go. Now we can disconnect that. And this looks like corrosion. But of course, this was never dropped in water. Why would they do that? We can just lift up. Isn't that nice? Okay, we'll clean up all this glass later, but we gotta take all this off. And we got the shield off. Let's take heatsink off. I think there's two screws, one right here, so one on the left. All right, so. Okay. Okay. This battery was already drained completely, so it's okay that this was plugged in. Normally, you want to unplug this as soon as you can. Okay, let's remove the battery. Cleaned out the adhesives on here. We just got to go ahead and get the battery. So let's grab the battery. A little tired. It is almost an hour after closing, and trying to get this done before we go. We're gonna glue this in later. There's no glue here, but we'll glue this in later. Right now, let's just see if we get any charge. All right, so we have this plugged in. Because the screen came pre-cracked, again, we just took this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the replacement screen, see if we get some image, and go from there. Just for now, we'll put this here, and we'll screw this in. For now, when we seal this up, we'll put some more thermal paste, new thermal paste, but this should be okay for now for testing. Corral, I still gotta take it off again so I can glue the batteries correctly. Okay, we're gonna be very careful because the screen's not there, but right over here, let's see, can we zoom in? We do get the charging icon. It's at 68%. And if we look right over here, it says time until charge full 1 hour and 9 minutes. That is good. We'll see if it goes up to 69% soon. And if it does, then that's good news. So come on, go. I want to go home. I want to eat and go to bed. 69%. Okay, I think that's a good place to stop because we know it turns off. So we'll unplug, we'll shut down, and tomorrow we will clean this up. It's a new day. We gotta clean up all this stuff. We're gonna heat this up a little bit, and then we will do what we have to do. That's right. So gotta put in some new thermal paste right here. So we'll do that as well. I'm tired. I need some coffee. But meanwhile, this heats up. I'm gonna start prepping some stuff. I was in total took about an hour and a half to get to where we left off yesterday. And yeah, I guess we'll keep track of how long it takes to do the rest of the job. It has been roughly an hour and 30 minutes, a little bit less. We're gonna round up a little bit. I have most of this stuff right over here done. We gotta keep the Wi-Fi antenna so we don't have to replace those. That's nice. We still gotta do this stuff right here. You might notice that I'm wearing these nerdy glasses. I'm not super big into my own safety with this stuff, but I'd rather not have glass in my eyes. That's probably bad. So, okay. We're gonna check in a little bit once this is all cleaned up. I did remove the battery on here because it was getting in the way. And yeah, we'll go from there. And be slightly less nerdy with these glasses. Now I can see. It's pretty clean. No glass on the sides, no cuts. Now we're just gonna take this heat plate. Can't talk. Now we're gonna take this heat sink off and we'll reapply some thermal paste, put this on, and put some glue onto the battery. So first let's take the old battery and chuck it and put the new battery back in and all that good stuff. Okay, I had like 5 different people come in. Started this at 9. It is 12:33. We're gonna seal this and put some clamps on for the adhesive. Call it a day.